Want to enjoy the luxurious feel of a hotel bedroom every day? Watch this video to find out how. Welcome back to my channel. This is Atefa. You don't have to wait until your next trip to experience the comfort of a 5-star hotel. Or can we ever again experience that in this economy? Every time I visit a 5-star hotel, I love the perfectly organized and calming environment, making me wish I could stay forever. Now imagine bringing that serene comfort into your bedroom permanently. So tune in now to learn how to create your own daily hotel. First, let's discuss about accessories. Hotel rooms, accessories, and small decorative items are minimal and essential. No clutter, just the basics. So, to capture that hotel bedroom feel in your space, start by clearing out the non-essentials from your bedroom. While handmade knickknacks and shelf decor are cute, they don't help achieve that sleek, peaceful hotel vibe. Keep it simple and spacious. I mean, if you're aiming for that clean, tranquil atmosphere, less is definitely more. Number 2, where is your bed placed? Are you one of those people who push their bed against the wall? If you are looking for creating that luxury hotel feeling in your bedroom, I'm sorry, this is not acceptable. I mean, have you ever seen a hotel room with a bed pushed to the wall? No. Hotels typically ensure there is enough space on each side of the bed, at least wide enough for a nightstand. This setup not only enhances accessibility but also maintains the flow and openness of the room. Keeping the bed away from the wall opens up the space, making your bedroom look and feel more elegant. Number 3, headboards. I'm not the biggest fan of headboards, but they can be quite effective, especially if you are looking for that luxurious hotel feel bedroom. Although headboards can be an extra expense and they can take up a lot of space from your room, they offer significant advantages. Not only do they enhance your bedroom's appearance and serve as a stylish focal point, but they also provide support when sitting up and keep your pillows neatly in place. If you are looking to recreate that hotel vibe in your bedroom, consider opting for a headboard. It could be the touch of elegance and functionality you need. Number 4, color palette. In hotel bedrooms, neutral color palettes are commonly used because they enhance a sense of comfort and ease. However, some luxury hotels opt for a darker color palette, as they evoke a sense of opulence. If you are aiming for that hotel feel in your bedroom, a neutral color palette is a safe and effective choice. But if you want to add a touch of richness, consider going with a darker color scheme to create a luxurious vibe. Number 5, bed and bedding. When creating that luxurious hotel feel bedroom, bed is crucial. Opt for white bedding. It's not only easy to wash but also gives the crisp, clean look. Skip the fitted sheets and instead use flat sheets tightly tucked around the mattress. These are simpler to maintain and press. Layering is key to achieving that plush feel. Start with a sheet to cover the mattress. Add a top sheet, then use 2 duets. One to cover the sheets neatly and another fluffier one on top for extra comfort. Don't skimp on the pillows. For a true hotel vibe, 3 is the minimum. Remember, maintaining this setup is essential to keep it feeling fresh and inviting. Number 6, sitting area. I'm sure you noticed how every 5-star hotel includes a sitting area. Typically, it features a chair with a simple table in front. This setup not only adds texture and depth to your bedroom, it's also practical. After a long day, it's perfect for relaxing with a book or enjoying a cup of tea. While it might seem like a small addition, a sitting area in your bedroom enhances functionality significantly. Often we resort to sitting on our beds for activities like reading or using our cell phones, simply because there is no other space. Adding a dedicated sitting area brings that 5-star hotel comfort into your home, beautifully combining style with practicality. Number 7. Mirrors. Every hotel room includes mirrors, and having them enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your space. Ideally, incorporate 2 types of mirrors, a tall one at the entrance for the full view and a smaller one for the convenience. Mirrors do more than just offer a spot to check your appearance. They also make your room appear more spacious and open, adding a touch of elegance. This simple addition can significantly impact the overall feel and functionality of your bedroom, mimicking the luxurious hotel vibe. Number 8. As always, let's talk about lighting. Proper lighting is crucial for achieving that luxurious hotel feel bedroom. It's all about layered lighting. The more options you have, the better. Ensure you can control each light source independently to adjust the ambience as needed. Include a variety of light fixtures such as a table lamp, floor lamp, wall lamp, and ceiling lamp, each with separate controls. The setup not only enhances functionality but also dramatically elevates the elegance of the room. Just by layering your lighting thoughtfully, you can create a rich, luxurious hotel atmosphere right in your bedroom. Number 9. Last but not least, artwork. Luxury hotels rooms skillfully use artwork to enhance their appeal, striking a balance by not overcrowding the space. To replicate this in your bedroom, consider the color palette of your room and the overall vibe, along with your personal taste in art. Opt for one standout piece or a cohesive set of 3 that complements the room without overwhelming it. Then choose the perfect spot to display it. This thoughtful approach to selecting and placing artwork can significantly elevate the sophistication and personalized feel of your bedroom, much like a hotel. That's all for this video. Remember, by just implementing a few of these tips, you can still create that luxurious 5-star hotel feel in your bedroom. I mean, your bedroom should be kind of your sanctuary, so taking your time to enhance it can improve greatly your lifestyle and happiness. See you in the next video.